Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. You know, I have a question. Do you feel like you're drowning in online reviews and don't really know how to respond to them effectively or professionally all at once? Are you feeling uninspired and unmotivated to create eye-catching, head-turning content that will leave prospects drooling for more? Do you wish there was a holy grail, one-stop shop that houses all reputation management and does some of the heavy lifting for you? Well, I'm Ciara West with Cushman & Wakefield, and I'm here to tell you to look no further than SOCi, your all-in-one social media management dashboard that will help you reach future residents and send leads to the property. If you want to find out more, then follow me for this quick demo on this next episode of Marketing Masterclass.
Hello and welcome to Marketing Masterclass. I'm your host, Justin Godwin, and I am thrilled to be teaming up with Ciara West, Regional Marketing Manager in the Southeast, on a 3-part series about SOCi. In our first class, we're taking a look at how to utilize the SOCi platform to manage your social media accounts. You'll learn all about the dashboard and how to track engagement, as well as how to post engaging content. Let's head over to Ciara now to kick off our SOCi Masterclass series.
Alrighty, so when you first log into your SOCi dashboard, you will come up on your 7-day insight metrics. It will automatically populate tailored to your property. These metrics is a great thing to look at to get a bird's eye view of your reputation management for that particular week. So up here in this first column, you're going to see all the social media accounts that you have linked into your SOCi account. If they are grayed out, that means they are not linked in. Down here, you're going to see your content status to see how many scheduled posts you have in your calendar. You can see how many are scheduled to go out and how many have possibly had an issue with posting. Make sure that this number stays at 0, but if not, please take the time to look to see what the issue is to make sure that those posts get scheduled out or deleted. In this section, your fan engagement demographics, you're going to see how women and male interact with your content that you are posting. As you scroll down, you will see the engagement sentiment to see, are you getting positive feedback for your content? Are you getting negative feedback or neutral feedback? Here you'll see your peak times, which is a great thing to use when you're scheduling your content to see when your audience is actually active online. Down here, you will see your review sentiments. Do you have more positive reviews, neutral reviews, or negative reviews? Of course, you would always like this positive number to be higher the most. And you'll see your engagement status, how many people are actually interacting and what they're doing and what they are saying. Next, we're going to cover our social tab. In the SOCi dashboard, we really focus on social, reviews, and as well as the reporting. So when you click on the social tab, you'll automatically bring up the calendar. So here you can see that when you schedule your post out, they will be loaded into the calendar on the day and time that you have chosen. Typically, we recommend posting at least 2 to 3 times per week to remain active and engaged with our audience and our residents. But just be mindful that we don't want to bombard our audience every moment of the day with content. Quality versus quantity always. These are grayed out because these have already been posted and scheduled out. These are planned posts right here. You can sit down, plan out your content for the week or even the entire month, set a time for it to go out, and then you just forget about it. It's very easy to use. You hit this post now button. It can be deceiving because you would assume that it's going to post something immediately, but not yet. So you're going to hit that button. You're going to select which profiles you want to post to. If you just want to post on Instagram, you can just click that and those check marks are going to go away. If you want to do Facebook as well, then you can hit that as well and the check marks will be there. So I'm going to hit Facebook and Instagram. You're going to type in your message right there. And then this is where you're able to upload your content. You can upload your photos that you have taken or GIFs, images, you can upload videos. You can even create content and sync it with Canva. Here, you can pick your hashtags that you would like to add to your post. We always like to utilize as many hashtags as we possibly can. On Instagram and Facebook, the limit is 30, so we love to use all 30. We do have our standard ones, but always be as creative as possible with the hashtags. And then you'll be able to schedule this out. You will hit this button and you'll be able to say, I want this post to go out on the 20th because that's Father's Day. And I would like this to go out at 12:05 p.m., the exact time. And then once you hit schedule post, it will upload to your calendar and it will be scheduled to go out automatically without you having to do anything else on the 20th at 12:05. Now, if you're looking at this and you're wondering, well, sometimes I don't really feel inspired or motivated to post anything. I'm having content writer's block and I'm not a super creative person. Well, if you go down here to the Discovery tab on SOCi, SOCi has a full library of content ideas that you are able to utilize on their database. These are just very generic content ideas. Do not use these as a crutch. Just use these to gain inspiration. There's a lot of topics in here that you're able to utilize, and they even have different event ideas. If you guys are struggling with events to get your residents engaged, you also have a library that houses everything that you ever posted historically. If you want to go back and maybe reuse one or edit one or anything like that, it is all saved into your library right here.
Thank you, Ciara, for that excellent tutorial. She showed us how to read the SOCi dashboard, how to craft social media posts, and also how to schedule posts and track engagement. Coming up on the next Marketing Masterclass, Ciara returns to tell us everything we need to know about SOCi's reputation management capabilities. If you want more information about SOCi in the meantime, reach out to your regional marketing manager or regional marketing director. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to welcoming you back for our next episode.